HowExpert Guide to Stamp Collecting, the ultimate handbook for starting a stamp collection, identifying rare stamps, and preserving philatelic treasures by HowExpert. If you want to start an exciting hobby, build a unique and valuable stamp collection, or uncover rare philatelic treasures, then HowExpert Guide to Stamp Collecting is the ultimate resource for you. This comprehensive guide takes you step by step through the world of stamp collecting, making it accessible for beginners and invaluable for seasoned enthusiasts. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand, preserve, and showcase your collection, this book provides everything you need to master the art of philately. From uncovering hidden gems and evaluating rarity to embracing modern trends like NFTs and digital tools, this guide has you covered. Chapter 1: Introduction to Stamp Collecting. Explore the basics, history, and types of collectors to inspire your journey. Chapter 2: Understanding Stamps. Break down the anatomy, categories, and unique features that make stamps special. Chapter 3: The Most Famous Stamps Ever Collected. Discover legendary stamps, record-breaking auctions, and their stories. Chapter 4: Starting your first stamp collection. Choose a focus, gather tools, and organize your collection efficiently. Chapter 5: Finding Stamps. Learn where to find stamps from post offices and fairs to hidden gems online. Chapter 6: Expanding your collection like a pro. Use advanced strategies to grow your collection and uncover treasures. Chapter 7: Evaluating and grading stamps. Master valuation, grading, and authenticating rare finds to protect investments. Chapter 8: Special Stamp Collecting Categories. Explore thematic stamps, country-specific designs, and first-day covers. Chapter 9: The Stories Behind Stamps. Discover the history and cultural significance of stamps that bring collections to life. Chapter 10: Protecting your stamp collection. Handle, clean, and safeguard stamps from damage and disasters. Chapter 11: Displaying your stamps. Create creative, professional displays for exhibitions or personal enjoyment. Chapter 12: Connecting with the stamp collecting community. Join clubs, attend exhibitions, and network with collectors. Chapter 13: How to buy stamps smartly. Avoid scams, find bargains, and negotiate deals like a pro. Chapter 14: Selling stamps for profit. Learn to time the market, create listings, and maximize profits. Chapter 15: Investing in stamps. Build a profitable portfolio, avoid mistakes, and leverage market trends. Chapter 16: Mastering Stamp Identification. Use advanced tools to identify, evaluate, and catalog stamps effectively. Chapter 17: The Future of Stamp Collecting. Explore digital stamps, NFTs, and blockchain innovations. Chapter 18: Innovative Technology for Modern Collectors. Discover AI tools, apps, and augmented reality to enhance your collecting experience. Conclusion: reflect on your journey, sustain your passion, and preserve your collection as a meaningful legacy. Appendices: access glossaries, templates, trackers, and resources to simplify and enrich your collecting experience. Take action and start building your stamp collection today. Whether you want to preserve history, invest in rare finds, or create a stunning collection, this guide will empower you to succeed. Packed with expert advice, practical tools, and inspiring stories, HowExpert Guide to Stamp Collecting makes learning simple, enjoyable, and rewarding. Start today. Unlock the fascinating world of stamp collecting, preserve treasures, and turn your passion into profit. Get your copy now. HowExpert publishes quick how-to guides on all topics from A to Z. Visit howexpert.com to learn more.